Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to ForexScholars. I hope you all are doing great and I hope you all had a great week. Last week we saw lots of actions in the USD pairs and in the CHF pairs and in the CAD pairs as well, moving up and down because there wasn't a lot of news, but we saw a lot of movement in the dollar index surprisingly. But the next week is gonna be full of actions. We are gonna Fed Chairman Powell is gonna testify twice next week, and then we have unemployment rate, and then we have non-farm payrolls. We have GDP of GBP pairs. So a lot of things are gonna happen next week. So I think we'll see a lot of action happening in the GBP pairs and the USD pair, and we'll see cross currency pairs move as well. So first let's check out what is happening with dollar and how it is gonna move next week. If we can see, dollar has hit a supply on the upside, and from there on it has started moving down, and it can easily come to the levels of 104.208, and I don't think before that we can see any up move happening in dollar, because this was quite expected. I have been telling this for weeks that we will hit 105 once in dollar, and after that we will get a pullback. But this is not a bearish trend for dollar, because dollar is looking super strong to me. And next week, if anything, if data comes positive or anything other than this happens, we can see some very good movement in dollar happening. Now, what we have to take care of is, just because dollar is strong, that does not mean that all the USD pairs are gonna go up, or they are gonna move quite well on the upside. As we take a look at USD CAD, I can see that this particular OB of USD CAD is quite strong, and this can give a very good movement. But at the same time, if you take a look at USD CHF, we can see that there is again a OB in USD CHF, but it has been mitigated almost thrice, almost 4 times. And I don't want I don't want you to get stuck in a OB that has been mitigated 4 times, and the orders have been sucked up, and the 5th time you take a trade you will get your stop hit. So be careful in the USD CHF pair. I don't think it is gonna move directly upwards. You have to wait for some confirmation, or you have to wait for some smaller time frame chalk to enter into these trades. Now, as we take a look at USD JPY, we can see that it is slightly bearish, as it has hit its supply and it gave some reaction on Thursday, but again on Friday it gave a new break of structure, and I really think that USD JPY and all the JPY pairs are gonna move higher from here on. As we take a look at EUR USD and GBP USD, both look super strong to me, super solid to me. I don't have any doubt in these two pairs, because these two look very good to me, and EUR USD and GBP USD can move higher if dollar weakens even this bit. Now, talking about that, we take a look at gold. Gold has moved outstandingly higher this week. Yesterday it took this beautiful demand out from this OB, which I already marked, but since there was news at yesterday 8:30 p.m. I could not trade gold. But since this OB gave a break of structure of this high and a previous high as well, I marked this OB and wanted to play it. But yeah, gold is looking super duper strong to me. I would not suggest you to find for shorts in gold, but rather, even if you find shorts, you have to find it with double confirmation, because here it is a supply in gold, but above that is a huge pool of liquidity, and I would not suggest you to short directly until and unless you find some change of character happening in the smaller time frame. That is my view for gold. Now, again, coming to AUD USD and NZD USD, I can see that both the pairs are okayish, but in comparison to EUR USD and GBP USD, both are looking a bit weak. So right now, when you take cross currency trades, try to avoid NZD and AUD in cross currencies, and try to take GBP and EUR in cross currency pairs on the long side, because they are looking much more stronger. And on the weaker side, you can trade NZD and AUD in cross currency pairs as well. So this was the entire analysis for next week, guys. I'll meet you again next week as to what is happening, how it has opened, and what are we going to do from Monday onwards. But until then, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Please share it with your trading pairs. Please comment your queries, and enjoy your weekend. Have a great weekend, and let's kill it next week. Bye-bye. Thank you.